Hi everyone! I am filming this quick video because there is something that I would really like to ask you as business owners. So at the moment, there is a real need for businesses to improve their digital skills, and Sophie and I have been talking, and we would really like to kickstart some online workshops in digital marketing. And we are going to start off with some social media workshops because we have already delivered them before, they're already there, they're ready to go, and they're ready to help you. There are 3 different social media workshops that we have ready to go, and we want to hear from you as to which one would be the most useful for us to kick off with. So the 3 options are: 1, supercharge your social media strategy. What that involves is working out what your social media manifesto is, why you want to be on social media in the first place, who your audiences are, what your core messages are, and then coming up with a basic social media plan so that you are ready to go out and create really focused, targeted content that's going to resonate with your audiences. And there's also some kind of basic how-to in there and some tips as well. The second is social media fundamentals, and we really will put the fun into fundamentals. So that's your chance to spend a half day with me going through the 4 main social media channels. So Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and LinkedIn, looking at what best practices, how to get the most from them, how to grow your audiences, how to maximize engagement, how to make your content look brilliant, and really getting to grips with the how-to practicalities of posting to social media. The third option is around paid social media. So in this training, it will be a couple of hours, really practical, and I will talk you through step by step on how to create a Facebook ads or Instagram campaign that is targeted to your target audience, that has great creative, that gets engagement, and how to monitor your engagement within your dashboard and make tweaks to optimize that campaign. So those are the 3 options. The first one is focused on strategy, ideas, getting really clear on your messaging. The second one is focused on practicalities and how-tos. It's really hands-on, and it's how to post and get the most from each channel. And the third one is around advertising, so paid content and how you create a brilliant Facebook or Instagram ads campaign. So we can also cover Twitter ads as well, if that's something that you're interested in. So those are your 3 options. Let me know which one resonates most with you, either in the comments, or I'll pop a link to a short survey in the comments as well that you can fill in and ask us any other questions. But we are really committed to using this time to build a bank of resources that are focused on digital marketing and are really genuinely helpful to small business owners. So I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much, and I will see you on an online training session soon. Bye.